In case you want to create DevOps loop for machine learning, you will have to train your model first at Azure DevOps. We have a number of platforms, but I'm going to illustrate Azure DevOps as of now. Later on, you can register your model, you can build your image, you can deploy service monitor model, and you can create your own model using any IDE. Here we have a step-by-step process. If you talk about another process where we have MLOps workflow, you can see here we have developer on left hand side, Azure DevOps. Data scientists using machine learning are also contributing here. They have various stages over there. Let's talk about the process where we have to submit this process. In the next video, we will discuss how to create Azure DevOps part